All right, so now you have some content in your post. You have some headers and some italics and some links and various things in there, but the big piece we're still missing is images. And there's a couple things we can do for images that make this work well for you. So first thing we can do is just hit enter and create a new block, a new area for a block, and hit the plus sign here or the plus at the top and see all the types of blocks we can add. The paragraph block is what happens by default, just typing stuff in. The heading you've seen, there's image, there's a bulleted list, and actually we hit browse all. They open to the left here, there's a ton of different blocks you can add. Some you might use a lot, some not so much, but we're going to look at the image block in particular here. So we click image. It's going to insert an image here, but it's going to ask us what image do we want to use. Do we want to upload an image from our computer, pull one from the media library for other images we uploaded to other posts or earlier in this post, or insert from a URL if we know the exact URL of an image, which is pretty rare, I would think. Typically, we'll say upload. So let's upload an image. And I have an iPhone 1 on my desktop here, so we'll click iPhone. And that uploads the image, and there it is. There's our image. We can do some more to play with it, but for the most part, your images, I think, will just be to support your post. And so that's it there. However, there's one other important place we want to put this, and that is in the post settings on the side, there's a featured image block. So how featured images work will depend a lot on your theme, but this gets very important if people share your posts on social media or do other things, because this featured image will be the image that pulls over with it. So let's click on that to set the featured image. And again, we can select a file to upload, but in this case, we already uploaded it to the post. So we can upload files or go to the media library. So let's go to our media library and see all the images we've uploaded before, which is just one for now, but it's a start. So we can click on it and say set featured image. So in this theme, I don't believe the featured image is used at all, but it's there sort of in the background. So that way, again, if you share it on social media, things like that, that image will pull over properly. The other place then you can see all these, if we get out of our post, on the left here is below post is media. And this is not a place you'll go to often on its own, but you can see all the media you've uploaded, search for things. You can even go in and delete it if you wanted. And of course, deleting it here would delete it everywhere it was used. So that would be a bad idea at this point. Lots of ways to use media, but certainly encourage you to add some images to your post and certainly use that featured image so it shows up other places. And we'll talk a bit more about that in the promotion section in a little while.